Yo, what's up, guys? Yo, it's your boy Josh from Ice Auto Accessories. I'm just gonna take a little drive, man. Just start the young car, play around with the sound and everything. Yeah, man. I hope you enjoy this, man. This is your boy, and yo, don't forget to visit Ice Auto ZA, iceautoza.co.za, man. Check out what we can do for you, what we can offer you, what we can supply for you. Yeah, man. Hashtag Ice Auto, man. Peace. So, yeah, guys, what's up? So, let me get straight to the point. I don't want to waste your time. Um, First of all, I want to send a shout out to these two guys who commented on my first video about installing the Grace chip. You guys are really dope. Thank you so much for um, commenting. Shout out to Green Syrup and Patches. Yo, what's up, guys? I hope you're good. So, guys, the Grace chip is not gonna now turn your car into a normal daily sedan, into a supercar slayer just by installing the chip. But it is gonna drastically improve your car's performance from factory. So with me, I gained about 11 kilowatts and 90 newton meters of torque, and a 10% fuel economy saving as well. So it will give you a very significant, performance improvement. So basically, like with me, I drive a 2017 Toyota Corolla Questa, which we normally use as an Uber here this side in South Africa or Joburg or whatever. So if a guy who drives the same similar spec as mine but hasn't done anything to it, it's just factory spec, he's not going to be able to keep up with me. I'll be able to slay him, easily. So and apart from the race chip, I've also did the modification on my exhaust system as well. I decatted the system, put a straight pipe, and obviously a back box. So on top of that, then did the race chip and all that. So yeah, so just working on modifying the exhaust system, it can give you maybe 2 or 3 kilowatts extra horses there. But yeah, so when you guys get this performance mod, just know that it's not gonna turn your car. Let's say if it was your car was 50 kilowatts and it's gonna give it to 250 kilowatts just like that. No, it's not gonna do this. It's a work in progress. You can probably get to that with more modifications on your engine as well. So I saw straight improvement on my performance. I mean, my car gets to 60 quicker now, gets to 100 quicker now. There's points where I used to be driving and I'd be going uphill, I'd have to change down from 5 to 4 or 3. Now if I'm on 4, I stay on 4 and it keeps on increasing speed. Once I get to 2,000, 3,000 RPM, man, it kicks like nobody's business. You'll see some of the clips as well when you're watching the video. You'll see I was actually going fast, real quick. On the speed limit, I hope so. But yeah, it does improve the performance. Your car will accelerate quicker, get to higher speeds quick. I get to 160 quickly now. It's crazy, actually. Toyota Hilux 4x4 tried to outrun me the other day, and the guy ended up giving up. So yeah, the race chip does make a big difference. And also your driving, man. I push the car, man. But I do make sure that I service the car at Toyota. I service at Toyota Hyde Park. So yeah, man. So if you need the race chip, man, and in South Africa, WhatsApp me. I'll leave my details down in the description. Let's talk. The race chips do start from 4,000 rand. There is an option that you can actually control your race chip with an app on your phone. I didn't go for that one. It's a bit more, a couple of $100 there. So, but you can change even from economy to, to dynamic and to control the race chip and even turn off the race chip if you want to as well. So yeah, man. So I hope you like this video, man. Shout out to everybody that likes and views the video. Thank you so much for the support, guys. And if you're in South Africa and you need something, go to Ice Auto. You need something for your car, iceautoza.co.za. iceautoza.co.za, man. Yeah, let's see what I can hook you guys up with, man. So yo, This is for car people. I'm a car person. This is for car people. And turning a car that's not normally something awesome or amazing, or a car that everybody rushes to modifying, like a GTI or a Golf, or a BMW. This is a Toyota Corolla, man. It's a family car. I have a family too, man. But hey, who says I must stop being a car guy just because I have 3 kids or whatever, you know? So we keep pushing, keep doing what we love, you know, for our own mental sake as well. So yeah, man, no matter what car you drive, yo, don't let anybody tell you otherwise. If you wanna put rims on it, put rims on it. You want to put sound on it. You know, I got sound in my car. I just upgraded my sound to 2 subs, installed it myself, obviously. So maybe I'll do a clip on that and show you guys what I did to that. I'm planning to also put spacers in the car, push the wheels out a bit, also change the rims and go to 17s. Right now I'm riding on 15s if you watched my first video. So yeah, I want something more cooler. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, man, and yo, much love from your boy Joshua. Away.